To start solving this equation, we're going to condense the two terms on the right hand side into a single logarithm using the quotient rule. That's indicated by the subtraction there. So in order to write that as a single logarithm, we get the natural log of 7x minus 23 over x plus 1. And now since we have the natural logarithms on both sides, they have the same base, they're both base e, we can essentially drop them and just set the insides equal to each other. And the reason for that is that we have the natural log of something equals the natural log of something else. And the only way that can happen is if those two inside things are equal. And so we're just going to go ahead and write that, again, essentially just without the logarithms there, because we had that natural log on both sides. So now to get the x by itself, we're going to multiply both sides by x plus 1. That'll cancel and get rid of that fraction over there on the right. So on the left, we're going to have to FOIL that out. So we get x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals 7x minus 23. Then we'll go ahead and move these terms over to the left-hand side to get a 0 on one side. So first I'll combine the like terms over here on the left. That negative 3x plus x will be negative 2x. And then we'll go ahead and subtract 7x from both sides. And also add 23 to both sides. And that way we'll get that 0 over there on the right. And now we can factor this would be x plus 5. Sorry, x minus 5 times x minus 4. Setting each of those two equal to 0, if I said x minus 5 equal to 0, I'd get x equals 5. Set x minus 4 equal to 0, and get x equals 4. So we need to check those answers. We need to check them enough at least to make sure that we are not getting any negative values inside our logarithms. So I'll start by checking the x equals 5. And if x is 5, I get natural log of 5 minus 3. And on the right side there, I get natural log of 7 times 5 would be 35. Minus 23 would be 12. Minus a natural log of 5 plus 1 would be 6. So the 5 minus 3 is 2. And using the quotient rule on the right, I'd get natural log of 2. 12 divided by 6. So that works out. If I check that x equals 4, I get natural log of 4 minus 3, that's 1. And on the right side, 7 times 4 is 28, minus 23 is 5. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. So using the quotient rule on the right again, I would get the natural log of 5 divided by 5 is 1. And so that checks out as well. So in this case, both of those are solutions to the equation.